Good morning, everyone. This is now week 20. It is our pre-last week of school. So this week you will have your final review study guide. So that's the study guide. You should open the study guide and solve all the problems on in your notebook on a separate sheet of paper. And then I actually provided the key. So you're not submitting this. This is entirely for you to practice, and so it's to help you. After that, I did create an assignment number 32 practice final, but the practice final is really short. I believe it only has about 12 questions, so you can use that just to practice, but definitely study that review. Your final, like we mentioned, is next Monday. And if you guys have questions, remember that we're still going to Zoom this Wednesday. So this Wednesday, our Zooms will be at the same time. Block 1, 1, block 6, 2, block 3, 3. So hope to see you guys then. I hope everyone's doing well, staying safe. Take care of yourselves. Miss you guys. And hopefully I'll see you on Wednesday.